before and after me was very strong and active. She didn't use pregnancy as an excuse to be useless, but you... I've lost my appetite.
Baby, please. I really stood to make this food. It's my food now. I'm the one that made it. Am I not the one that cut carrots? Am I not the one that cut the... I boiled the chicken. This food is smelling so bad. Sorry.
Sorry? You are sorry? You know, recently that has been your favorite word. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Baby. You know...
Is what? What's the problem?
That's what I'm saying. It's just very...
It's very what? What is wrong with you?
My waist.
Your waist?
Yes.
Your waist is paining you?
Yes, my pelvic is paining me.
Are you the first pregnant woman in this world? Why can't you just be smart? Everything you are nagging. What's the problem? Your waist is paining you today. Tomorrow your eyes will be paining you.
Yes, it's paining me too.
Look at you. You're just standing there like an overfed cow.
It's just that my pelvic is paining me.
You know what? I don't have the strength for this tonight. I'm really tired.